Welcome to SigniFlow Academy, where our ninjas show you how to use your system to its full potential. So you'd like to learn more about field placing in DocPrepper. This lesson will cover how to utilize DocPrepper's field placing feature to its maximum capacity. In this lesson, I will start by creating a new workflow. To learn more about workflows, please visit our Create a Basic Workflow module for more in-depth lessons. Step 1 is creating a new workflow. Step 2 is importing or using a document. Step 3 is to proceed. Step 4 is adding your signers. I will be adding 2 signers. Step 5 is going to DocPrepper. Please note that before placing your fields, you need to ensure you have selected the correct signer. Also note the difference in colors between the fields placed for the first signer and the second signer. My first signer's fields will be yellow, while my second signer's fields will be blue. Step 6 is, I'm going to start by demonstrating how to manually place your signature fields. Please note that initial fields work under the same concept as signature fields when placed. You can also load a saved template with all your fields already placed. To learn more about this, please visit our next lesson in this module, Applying a Saved Template. Step 7 is form field placing, starting with mandatory and non-mandatory text fields. These are text fields where your user or signer will fill in their information. Mandatory text fields are fields that your signer needs to fill in before they can sign or complete their document. Non-mandatory text fields are fields that can be left open. Next, we have checkboxes. You can add a single checkbox, which will automatically be a non-mandatory field, meaning it doesn't need to be checked to continue. Or you could place a checkbox group. Make sure to read the instructions before placing your checkboxes. Place your checkboxes. Now you must set how many of your checkboxes must be checked. If you have one question with 2 checkboxes and you only want one answer, you can set the minimum as 1 and the maximum as 1. Here, I will be placing 6 checkboxes, but I only want 3 checked, 1 per answer. So I will set my minimum as 3 and my maximum as 3. This makes 3 of your 6 checkboxes mandatory. Last is your drop-down field. Place your field and then add values. Values are the content that your drop-down fields will consist of. This is also a mandatory field. Step 8 is to set user info fields, starting with signer's name field. Please keep in mind that these fields will be automatically filled by the database. Place a date field. This field will show the current date. Now email address field and lastly contact number field. Step 9 is placing a face-to-face signature field. To learn more about face-to-face signing, visit our eSign module in our basic training course. Placing these fields works similarly to placing a signature field or initial. Step 10 is placing your business fields. You can place your business stamp anywhere you desire. Step 11 is releasing your document. Now I will open this document as the yellow or first signer. Step 12 is opening my document as the first or yellow signer. Step 13 is filling in all the mandatory fields. Please remember you cannot sign before filling in all the mandatory fields. You can see which fields are mandatory by their color. The fields that are red are mandatory. The other fields are non-mandatory. Also remember that set user info fields such as name and date are auto-populated by the database. Step 14 is signing and in doing so completing your document. That is how you utilize the field placing feature in DocPrepper. Thank you for watching SigniFlow Academy. Request a demo or keep watching SigniFlow Academy to learn more.